My dear Toastmasters and fellow guests, did you enjoy the meeting today?
Yes.
I reached at the spot at 6 o'clock, half an hour before when the meeting was about to start. And I was expecting the chairs to be at the side and everything haphazardly arranged and everything yet to be arranged. But it was totally opposite. The chairs were arranged, the mic was checked, everything was at its place. And for the people who don't know, being a sergeant at arms is one of the most difficult job in the committee because that sergeant at arms has to arrange the chairs, arrange the stage, check out the mics, and put the banners, then think about his speech which he's going to deliver at first. That is one big job, and you would be really shocked to know that this person who was the sergeant at arms today, it was his first time and he did it so professionally and so perfectly. Can we have a round of applause for Toastmaster Varun, who was the acting Varun, as a first timer, you did it really perfectly as a professional, and I am hoping to see you Sergeant at Arms, real Sergeant at Arms, in the next term. As a general evaluator, if I would suggest you, you had finished your work in hand, so you were idle right now. But I would have suggested you that you would have stood near the door, welcome the guests, explain them what the Toastmasters is all about, and that would be one of the jobs of Sergeant at Arms. So I do realize that it is your first time, but keep in mind for the second time. And wonderful job, John. Can we have a round of applause for him again? Then comes our scuba diver, president, acting president, Toastmaster Avinash. We all know that he loves scuba diving, so he relates everything to sea, scuba diving, or anything which is given to him. So the concept of sea moving up and down and relating it to Toastmasters, perfectly done. Hats off to you, really. Can we have a round of applause for our acting president? Then comes our MC. This person, if you give him the most serious role, he'll make it funny. And that was the live action performance today. MC is one of the most seriously job taken, and he did it so phenomenally. Can we have a round of applause for Toastmaster Venu? Entertaining, unique introduction, description of every session where he brought out the concept of crackers. Perfectly done. As a general evaluator, if I would suggest you only one thing, for CC1, they don't require introduction because CC1 is all about yourself. The speaker is supposed to speak about himself. So there is no much introduction required for CC1. That would save a lot of time actually. So that's the only thing I could find, but amazing job done. Can we have a round of applause for him again? Another pataka we had on this stage is Toastmaster Mahavir as a table topic master. For a first timer, he was very keen on choosing such easy topics so that everyone could easily speak on this stage. And trust me, that's a very tough job for a first timer to do. Can we have a real big round of applause for our General evaluator, if I suggest you one thing, please don't call people who have already taken up roles, because because there are many other people who are waiting for roles and they don't get due to the lack of time. Or you could always suggest the audience or the guests to voluntarily come on the stage. That's few suggestions from my side. As a first timer, you did a really fantastic job and awesome to you. Can you have a round of applause again?